Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you to every one of you that comes to watch my video. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends and your loved ones, because one of them could benefit from this recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be making spinach wrap. The wrap was bought from the store. It's just like tortilla wrap. And here are what I'm going to use. I have my lettuce and the cheese. I have my steamed onion, and those are the tomatoes sliced. And here is the spinach wrap. Now I have my ground beef. This is actually turkey. You can use beef, you can use chicken, and I'm going to mix it up with light mayonnaise. And this is not a paid advert, I'm just showing you guys what I used. So I added mayo just to bound the ground turkey together so that it will not be falling apart. So after mixing it together, I'm going to go ahead and base my spinach wrap with that same mayo just to form the base so that it can stick on the other things I'm going to add to it. So it's already based, and I go ahead and added my lettuce and the ground turkey. Put as much as you can or as much as you like. So that is the cheese that is being added. Use any type of cheese that you want, shredded or non-shredded. That is my onion. You can use any color of onion as well. And tomatoes, I guess is tomatoes everywhere. So once you are done putting up everything you want, you can fill it up with other things. You can fill it up with beans, cucumber, or that is whatever you like, and you have to roll it. Bear in mind, the spinach wrap is not like tortilla. This is a bit delicate because it can easily break apart. So as you are wrapping it, wrap it gently. So that is done. I'm going to put it aside and go ahead to do the second wrap, because I'm going to wrap 3. So that is the second one. Repeat the same process. Fill it up with whatever thing that you want to use. You can even add beans. You can add lentil. You can fill it up with quinoa. Just use whatever fillings that you like. Do the same thing, you wrap it up. So this is the second one, and I'm almost done with it. So I will go ahead and do the third wrap, and those are the 3 wraps that I made. So the next thing I'm going to do is to heat it up in a skillet. You can choose to eat it like that, but I want to warm it up a bit so that the cheese in it can melt. As you're warming up, you flip it around so that the whole side will be heated up. The first one is done, and I'm adding the second and the third. You do the same thing, and there you go, everything is ready. So once you feel it's warm enough, or once you think is well heated to your liking, then you bring it out. And these are the 3 that are well heated and it's out, so it's ready to be eaten. You can choose to cut it, or you dive on it like that. Okay, but if you have 3 little hands, you can cut it for them, and you go ahead and start enjoying your spinach wrap. Thank you all. Thank you so much. I do appreciate. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you in my next video, you all have a beautiful weekend. Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Bye.